Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I have to issue a huge correction to one of the videos that I made. Um, it was about changing the transmission fluid on my 4Runner, and I made a huge mistake. My research was kind of crappy. I wish I would have done a little bit more research, but this correction is uh, it's due. So I kind of did a little bit more digging. Then I came to the conclusion that I need to fix this problem. So what was the problem? I'm going to show you guys right now. So in my previous video, I showed you guys that when I did the transmission fluid change, I used the Transcend Dix 4, and that is when I called one of the dealership around. This is what they said I need to use, but they were wrong. I was wrong. I needed the ATF WS. The WS, it is a little bit, I believe it's the viscosity of the WS is a little bit thinner than the Dex 4. But now, what I need to do is I need to flush out the entire system, which I did in the first round. So I'm gonna have to use more oil on the second round because I need to get the entire oil out as much as I can. Now the ATF WS, these are about $16 a quart. I am going to use about 8 to 10 quarts of oil altogether to flush out the old one and put in a new one. So I've already done the process for you guys. I've already show you guys how the process is. So I'm not gonna put you guys through it. But yes, I made a mistake, so I'm gonna have to correct it. It's a costly mistake, so be careful you don't make the same mistake I made. And this is why I like to do these videos, to show you guys the mistakes I've made so you guys don't make it. So I will put the correction up. I will change the thumbnail on my old one as well, just to make sure nobody else makes the same mistake I made. So other than that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It is hot in here. You live and learn. You live and learn. So this was definitely my mistake. So I will make the corrections for you guys. It was not done on purpose. I promise you, it was an honest to God mistake. So anyways, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Hit the like button and leave your comments down below. Peace out.